Sports. Today we're going to take a look at Profile Design's Metal Cell 2 Triathlon Wetsuit for men and women. This is actually a unisex sized wetsuit, so based on the size chart you can find your size, and it's to accommodate both a man and a woman's body. First thing we can look at with the Metal Cell is it's made of Yamamoto neoprene. Yamamoto 39 neoprene. It's 100% throughout the wetsuit, and what that means is you've got one of the top shelf neoprenes in the market used to construct this wetsuit. So it's really stretchy, really amazing coating, glide skin on the exterior, and super comfortable and accommodating. This wetsuit is comprised primarily of a 5mm neoprene in the front body, which is to give you a nice lift. Some 3mm neoprene, and as well as some 2 and some 1mm neoprene. Again, all optimizing your positioning in the water. What we'll take a look at now is the upper shoulder construction. From elbow to shoulder we have no seams, which means we get maximum stretch. In the underarm panel, you can see here there are no seams, so you get maximum stretch in the underarm, and that you also feel most natural in these types of designs because they're actually anatomically cut. This specific wetsuit was actually designed to have the least amount of gapping between your body and the neoprene so that water doesn't pool. So this wetsuit was designed to be watertight, including having really narrow wrists so that, again, water doesn't tend to flush up the arm or flush through the neck. If we look at the neck here, we have a nice round roll collar that's made of glide skin, so you get a complete seal around your entire neck so you don't have water flushing in, filling up the wetsuit and slowing you down. In the forearm we have this great textured neoprene, and that actually helps power your stroke. What I love about the arm here in this particular wetsuit is you've got some great spot taping to keep the suit nice and durable, as well as helping prevent rashing. And you've just got so much stretch in this wetsuit. It's actually a really exciting wetsuit. If we turn it over, you have a nice adjustable collar, and you have a really amazing design for the zipper. How this zipper actually works is, once you get ready to swim, you actually go ahead and put the zipper from the top down, and you pull your zipper straight down. And what's great about this is when you're swimming, all you have to do is, when you're done swimming and now you're going in a transition, is you reach around this little tab and you pull up over your shoulder and unzip the wetsuit. And so it actually has a zipper that aids in shortening your transition time. You don't have to worry about hooking the zipper in transition to zip down, because you're getting ready for your swim and you can take the time to go ahead and do that, or have a friend help you. But what's really awesome is that when you're ready to go and take it off, all you have to do is pull it up and it comes right off. So on the interior of this wetsuit, you'll see again some really great features. You've got a nice neoprene backing here to prevent flushing. You've got a nice design where the neoprenes meet really tight, and that also helps prevent water from collecting inside the wetsuit. Again, this is top of the line profile design, and again, all about keeping the water out of the wetsuit as much as possible. You need water to get in the wetsuit to keep you warm, but what I love about this is your skin is right up against smooth skin neoprene, and that's to create the most optimal seal. You'll see taped seams. This is glued and blind stitched, and then you see taped reinforcement as well. You've got in the lower back what's called a flexor section, and this is again to make your body feel most natural. And so you have a nice piece of neoprene here that takes some of the stress out of the crotch area and the low back lumbar and makes you have a more natural fit. You also have some of those flexors on the back of the leg, and you can see this great little cut of neoprene here. You've got an anatomically cut wetsuit, so it fits the shape of our bodies naturally. And again, you've got great use of different types of thicknesses of neoprene to, again, and give you lift where you need it the most. So a really technical wetsuit, a really wonderful design. It comes in unisex sizes. If you want to learn more about the Profile Design Metal Cell 2, check it out on pleasuresports.com.